What if I told you there's a single tool that can unlock every hidden system in your car, control components directly, and even code ECUs just like the dealership, all without paying a dime in extra software fees? Meet the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite, the 2025 new model that's shaking up the automotive world, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this the most cost-effective, fully functional diagnostic scanner you can buy right now. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this tool deserves a spot in your garage or not. Product features practical explanation. The LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite isn't just another code reader. It's a professional-grade bidirectional scanner, built for anyone from home mechanics to full-service garages. Here's what sets it apart. Full bidirectional control. Active test. You can send commands directly to your car's ECU, turn the fuel pump on and off, cycle the ARC, activate solenoids, even test lane keeping systems, all from the palm of your hand. OL-level diagnostics. It covers all systems: engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, BCM, and more. You'll see the same depth of data that dealership tools reveal. 38+ advanced reset functions: oil reset, ABS bleed, injector coating, BMS, EPB, TPMs, relearn, NOx sensor reset, and even AdBlue and transport mode resets. It's like having 38 different specialty tools in one. Online ECU coding and adaptations. Customize and reprogram car functions, perfect for advanced dealers and professionals who want dealership-level capabilities without dealership costs. Massive compatibility. Works with over 200,000 vehicles, including 99% of US, Asian, and European models, from Chevy and Ford to BMW, Porsche, and Maserati. Built for the future, equipped with CAN FD and DOIP protocols for the latest vehicles, plus auto-auth for FCA, so you can access modern Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat systems securely. Blazing fast performance, powered by a 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU, Android 10.0, and dual-band Wi-Fi 2, 4 and 5.0 GHz. You'll notice scans complete up to 5x faster than older models. Expandable system supports add-ons like oscilloscopes, multimeters, TPMs tools, video scopes, and even a Wi-Fi printer for professional shop use. And it comes with 2 years of free updates, a 5-year warranty, and 24/7 technical support, so you're covered for the long haul. Pros and cons. Alright, let's talk about the real-world pros and cons, because no tool is perfect. Pros: extremely fast and responsive hardware. True bidirectional control, not just reading data but commanding systems. 38+ service functions that actually work on real cars. Wide compatibility with over 200,000 vehicles. Free 2-year software updates and 5-year warranty. Great balance between pro-level power and D-friendly usability. Cans slightly higher price than entry-level scanners, but justified by the features. Some advanced functions like ECU coding require a learning curve. It's a bit larger and heavier than compact handheld units overall. If you're looking for a basic tool to just read check engine codes, this might be overkill. But if you want to diagnose, test, and customize vehicles like a pro, this scanner is worth every penny. Overall review. So here's the bottom line: the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite 2025 Edition is one of the best value professional scanners on the market right now. It combines dealership-level capabilities, D-friendly operation, and rock-solid reliability, all in one smart tablet-style design. If you're a professional technician, it'll make your workflow faster and more profitable. If you're a home mechanic or car enthusiast, it's the ultimate investment in self-sufficiency. You'll diagnose smarter, save money, and stay ahead of every check engine light that tries to ruin your day. LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and tap the bell so you never miss the latest car repair tools and money-saving tips. And if you're ready to level up your diagnostics, check the link in the description for the best deal on the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite 2025 Edition. Until next time, stay smart, stay empowered, and keep those engines running strong.